Here is the before of my model, and now here is me getting started on the haircut. As you can see, I've taken a center section down the middle back, divided the left side from the right side, and now I've also taken two A-line sections on each side and combing the hair straight down to establish my length and my outline, which will be the guide for the rest of the length throughout the rest of the haircut. Now that I've completed cutting the outline on the left-hand side, it is now time to finish up the outline on the right-hand side. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to continue to take A-line sections, working my way up the head, combing the hair straight down, and then using the hair underneath as my guide to cut in that outline. Okay, so it is now time to do the frame-to-face layering on the right-hand side. So as you can see, I'm combing the hair straight down, holding the hair in my hands and freehanding in that layering. I want a nice precision layered outline that frames the face. So by doing so, I comb the hair straight down and simply like a pencil, I draw in, I freehand that outline in, holding the hair right there in my hand and then freehanding that outline, that layer, that frame the face layer into the haircut. Now it is time to do the frame-to-face layering on the left-hand side, and I'm basically going to do the exact same thing that I did on the right-hand side. It is time to cut the interior layers throughout the haircut. So as you can see, I'm taking a center section in the middle back. I'm combing that hair straight back, and I'm going to hold my hands in a square position. I want to make sure that the outline falls out. So you can see I'm combing the outline down because I do not want to accidentally cut that outline. I'll cut a hole in the outline, which is not good because I just got done cutting in the outline. The last thing I want to do is cut a hole in it. Now, I'm combing the hair straight back, but then I'm rounding up the top. As you can see, my fingers are square when I initially cut that very first layer, but then I start to comb the hair in an upward, circular, round section shape. As you can see right here, I'm starting to round that layer in more of a round shape. That will just basically create a little bit more lightness to create a little bit more volume. So I've completed the layering on the left-hand side, and now it is time to do the layering on the right-hand side. So I'm going to do the exact same thing, just simply take sections, working my way around the head on the right side, combing them to the previous section, and using the previous section as my guide. Now it is time to cross-check the haircut. I've already gone through and blow dry the hair dry, so now I am taking the very first frame the face layer section, combing that out so that I do not accidentally cut into it, and I'm going to remove the corner that you get when you comb all of the hair back to cut those layers, and then again all the way forward to cut the frame the face layers. You're going to get this corner right above the ear, which you can see right there, which I'm cutting off to lighten up the hair right there above the ear so it's not heavy and doesn't weigh the hair down. Same thing that I did on the right side, I'm going to do on the left side by simply removing that corner that you get when you over-direct hair all the way back and then all the way forward. You can see the corner right there, just cutting it off to make sure that the hair stays nice and light, which will then result in a lot more volume. Now what I like to do is go through and really sharpen up and strengthen the frame the face layering. So I'm going to go through, hold the hair with the comb, which you can see right here, and then just take my scissors and really sharpen up and strengthen a nice precision outline in the frame the face layers. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing here on the left-hand side. So we've come to the end of the haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this haircut. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.